Hello. Welcome to the next in the series of review clips designed to assist you in preparing for your Biology 301 public examination. In this clip, we'll be examining sexually transmitted infections. By definition, sexually transmitted infections are diseases transmitted primarily through sexual contact. Most sexually transmitted infections are triggered and caused by either a bacterial or virus infection. Of significance in that, bacterial STIs are curable, whereas viral STIs are not. Yet they are treatable. Certainly the symptoms can be treated through proper medication. There are a number of STIs of consequence and interest to us in this course. I will go through each of these here now. The first of these is HIV and AIDS. AIDS, or Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome, is caused by HIV, the human immunovirus. When a person is afflicted with HIV, becomes HIV positive, HIV will attack and take over the helper T cells of a person's immune system. As the level of helper T cells increases in the blood, the person becomes susceptible to many infections. Full-blown AIDS occurs when many T cells are destroyed by the virus and the body is not able to make enough replacement cells to fight infections. The mode of transmission is through sexual contact with an infected person, sharing of needles, potentially breastfeeding. At present, there is no known cure. But there are many drugs that are used to help fight various infections that are caused. And there are various drug measures to help stave off the impact of HIV. Chlamydia, another STI, is caused by the bacterium Chlamydia trachomatis. Its symptoms include pain when urinating, discharge, vaginal discharge in females of course, and fever. Now, some people have no symptoms whatsoever. This is dangerous because while there are no symptoms being shown, internal damage may very well be occurring. Transmission is through sexual contact with an infected person. The cure is an antibiotic regimen. Hepatitis is also considered to be a STI. Certainly hepatitis B is. Hepatitis, there are three different forms, A, B, and C. It is a viral infection. Its symptoms include flu-like symptoms, jaundice, liver failure, and liver disease. It's transmitted through sexual contact with an infected person, and it can be cured through the use of a preventive vaccine. Hepatitis is able to cross the placenta and infect unborn children. Genital herpes is a viral disorder caused by the herpes simplex virus 2. Its symptoms include tingling or itching in the genital area, blisters on the genitals, the buttocks, thighs, or internal tissues. These blisters form painful sores when they break open. And again, there are some people that may have no symptoms whatsoever. Its mode of transmission is sexual contact with an infected person. And while there is no cure, there is treatment available for the symptoms. Now, if a newborn comes in contact with the herpes sores during birth, the infection may very well cause blindness. It may cause neurological disorders. It may even cause death. Gonorrhea is another sexually transmitted infection. It's caused by a bacteria. Its symptoms include pain when urinating, discharge from the penis, and vaginal discharge. In females, if gonorrhea is not treated, the disease can cause the oviducts to become blocked. It's transmitted through sexual contact, and it can be treated through antibiotics as a bacterial STI. In previous public examinations, questions have been posed regarding this topic. I present the following for your consideration. Which bacterial infection may not present symptoms and can lead to painful urination, penile, or vaginal discharge? Again, it's bacterial. This would mean that HIV, AIDS, which is viral, herpes, and hepatitis are all eliminated. The correct answer is B, chlamydia, which is indeed a bacterial infection. Another sample question. You're asked, which sexually transmitted infection can be effectively treated with antibiotics? Again, if it is treated with antibiotics, it must be bacterial in nature. This would mean that AIDS, as a viral infection, herpes, and hepatitis are all eliminated. The correct answer is C, gonorrhea. It is indeed a bacterial STI. And this example again asks, which sexually transmitted infection is caused by a bacterium and can lead to mental illness and or blindness? AIDS is caused by a virus. It is eliminated. Chlamydia does not lead to mental illness, neither does gonorrhea. The correct answer is D, syphilis. Thank you for your attention during this clip. I hope you found this helpful in preparing you for your Biology 3201 public examination.